All right, our Austonian weather camera looking to the north. The sunshine continues to take over after a lot of clouds this morning as a result of some of the extra humidity in the air. Now, in the summer, when we get humid mornings and we get a lot of clouds in the morning, the hot summer sun and the strong summer sun burns those clouds off pretty quickly. But now that we're into late November now, the sun not as strong, so the clouds last longer in the day. But they have cleared now for the most part, and we're back to mostly sunny. We'll do it again tomorrow, by the way. Tomorrow's going to look very similar to today. See this swirl and rain and mountain snow in California? That is a storm heading for central Texas toward the middle and end of this week. It's the one we talked about last week that is still on track to arrive over us. You can see that area of low pressure there from the water vapor imagery coming ashore there in California, bringing them some additional significant rain and mountain snow. For us, we've still got one more reasonably quiet day ahead of us, that being tomorrow. Cloudy start again. A couple of morning sprinkles, can't rule that out. Otherwise, the clouds of the morning will gradually give way to sun as we get into tomorrow afternoon, much in the same way as today. And then things start getting more interesting on Wednesday. Some streamer showers possible in the morning, and then we start to brighten up in the afternoon, but still a few spotty showers possible in the afternoon. And then it looks like our first opportunity for thunderstorms is going to come Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. But this should be fairly limited to just the hill country, because as we head through the day on Thursday, this cluster of storms is going to gradually work its way eastward. But I don't think it's going to get to the metro or east of 35 until well into the afternoon. So our forecast tonight, increasing low clouds. Overnight lows very warm for this time of year of 71. And we'll go another very warm day tomorrow, high of 85. And that low chance for a morning sprinkle before the morning clouds give way to afternoon sunshine. And then just a 30% chance of rain or a thunderstorm on Wednesday, mostly in the morning and then again late at night in the hill country. Those rain chances at night rising to 40%, but mostly focused on the hill country. And then an 80% chance of rain on Thursday. But if you're watching us in the Austin metro or east of 35, most of that wet weather is going to come later in the day, not in the morning. So there is a marginal low 1 out of 5 severe weather risk Wednesday night in the hill country for that initial burst of storms, but a low severe weather threat. Can't ignore it, but it's not particularly high, clearly. There is a higher 2 out of 4 flash flooding threat on Thursday as the cluster of downpours and storms slowly marches east. It could produce some pretty heavy rain in spots. Right now, we think that by the time the rain is wrapping up Friday morning, most areas will have 1 to 2 inches of rain when you add up what comes Wednesday, Thursday, and early Friday. But there could be some isolated 2 to 3 inch amounts, and where we get those higher amounts could have some localized flash flooding. Drier weather setting in on Friday with morning showers wrapping up. Tiny rain chance Saturday. Higher rain and storm chances Sunday into Monday. This is storm number 2 that's going to bring us another shot of some decent rainfall. This far out, though, the rain chance is not super high yet, but the potential is there for another round of wet weather. Here's how it looks on our first warning weather 7-day forecast. 80s turning into 70s as that rain arrives, then a cold front knocks us down out of the 70s, out of the upper 70s anyway, into the low 70s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And those nighttime lows cool off as well from the 70s down into the 50s.